Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a business email for free. So, if you're seeking, of course, a truly free business email solution, there are some options. The first option is the Zoho Mail. So, Zoho Mail, of course, can provide you with the business email. It has a free plan that will provide you with a business email, but you will need to own a domain. Without a domain, you will not be able to get a free business email. There is other option, which is mail.com. This mail.com can provide you again with a business email, but you'll not be able to have a custom domain. You can simply just choose from various predefined domains like the one that they have here. So as you can see, you can choose the domains that they have. So mail.com, email.com, yesa.com, myself, consultants, posts, Europe. As you can see, a lot of stuff. So it's a little bit more customized than the normal one like at gmail.com, etc. But it's still not fully customizable. And as you can see, they give you free email and cloud storage. So you can also use that as a business email. The other option is Proton Mail. But again, it will use, so we can go to Proton Mail. So again, they have a free plan that you will be able to use. But again, your business email will be at protonmail.com. It will not be customizable. Of course, the other option that everybody knows is Gmail, but Gmail is just for personal use, not for business email. So the only custom domain that you can get is basically a Zoho Mail. But as we said, you will need to have a domain. If we go here, an example, to a business email and start filling up our informations here, example, like let me just example say I'm filling up here those information. So I'm just going here to set up a password. That should be strong. I agree. Click on sign up for free. I'll be able to get a business email. Of course, like I get a problem because I already like have an account using this email. I can just go and sign in into it. But basically, I can even sign in using my Google account because I created the account with it. And as you can see here, manage your domains. Basically, you'll have to go and get a domain to so you can have your business email for free. This is the only way, basically. You either, if you want it to be customized, you can use this Zoho Mail for free, but you will have to need, or you need a domain. There are a lot of tools, as an example, that you can get some free domains from. You can look online, so how to get like a free domain. So once you get that, you'll be able to use Zoho. Just go and enter your domain there. As an example, there's a lot of videos on how to do it. So go to Zoho, enter your free domain, and you'll get your business email. That's customizable. You can use mail.com as well and Proton Mail, as we said before, but it's not fully customizable. So that's gonna be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.